An engine misfire, also known as a cylinder misfire, occurs when one or more cylinders in a car's engine don't produce enough power. This can happen when the combustion within the combustion chamber is incomplete, or doesn't happen at all. In this video, we are going to discuss the different causes of engine misfire and how to fix it. Let's discuss the most common causes of engine misfires. 1. Faulty spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Over time, spark plugs can wear out or become fouled with deposits, which can weaken or prevent the spark, resulting in incomplete combustion and misfires. 2. Vacuum leaks. In a properly functioning engine, the air-fuel mixture is precisely controlled to achieve efficient combustion. The engine's intake manifold maintains a vacuum, drawing in the precise amount of air required for combustion based on various factors such as throttle position, engine load, and sensor inputs. If there is a leak in the intake manifold or vacuum lines, unmetered air can enter the engine, leading to engine misfires. 3. Low-quality fuel. Low-quality fuel may contain impurities, higher levels of contaminants, or lower octane ratings compared to higher-quality fuels. These characteristics can negatively affect the combustion process within the engine cylinders. When the fuel burns inefficiently or incompletely, it can lead to misfires. Incomplete combustion occurs when the air-fuel mixture fails to ignite or burns unevenly, leading to misfires in one or more cylinders. 4. Bad ignition coil. Ignition coils are responsible for converting the low voltage from the battery into the high voltage, needed to create a spark at the spark plugs. This spark ignites the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders. If an ignition coil is faulty or failing, it may not produce a strong or consistent spark. This can lead to incomplete combustion in one or more cylinders, resulting in engine misfires. 5. Bad fuel injector. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering precisely metered amounts of fuel into the combustion chambers of the engine. A bad fuel injector can cause uneven fuel distribution among the cylinders. If one or more cylinders receive too much, or too little fuel compared to others, it can result in misfires in those cylinders. 6. Bad fuel pump. If the fuel pump is failing or not operating at its full capacity, it may not provide sufficient fuel pressure to the fuel injectors. Insufficient fuel pressure can result in a lean air-fuel mixture, which may lead to misfires in the engine cylinders. 7. Bad map sensor. The map sensor measures the pressure inside the intake manifold, and provides this information to the engine control unit. The engine control unit uses data from the map sensor to calculate the appropriate air-fuel mixture and ignition timing for efficient engine operation. If the map sensor is faulty and provides incorrect pressure data to the ECU may adjust ignition timing incorrectly, leading to misfires. 8. Blown head gasket. The head gasket is responsible to properly seal the combustion chamber and ensure proper compression. When a head gasket blows, it can create a leak between the combustion chamber and the cooling system or the crankcase. This leak allows compression to escape, reducing cylinder pressure during the compression stroke. Reduced cylinder pressure can lead to weak combustion and misfires in the affected cylinders. 9. Bad piston ring. Piston rings play a crucial role in maintaining a tight seal between the piston and cylinder wall. If the rings are damaged, they may not seal properly, allowing compression to leak past them. This reduces the pressure in the combustion chamber during the compression stroke. Reduced cylinder pressure can lead to incomplete combustion or weak combustion, resulting in misfires. 10. Bad EGR valve. The EGR valve recirculates a portion of exhaust gases back into the intake manifold to reduce exhaust emissions and control combustion temperature. If the EGR valve becomes stuck open, it may allow an excessive amount of exhaust gases to flow into the intake manifold. This can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to a leaner overall mixture. A lean air-fuel mixture can cause misfires, particularly under certain driving conditions. 11. Bad camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor provides the engine control unit with crucial information about the position and speed of the camshaft. If the sensor is malfunctioning or providing inaccurate data, the ECU may not be able to accurately determine the camshaft position. This can result in incorrect timing of fuel injection and ignition, leading to misfires in the engine cylinders. 12. Bad crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor provides the engine control unit with essential data about the crankshaft's position and speed. If the sensor provides inaccurate data, the ECU may not be able to accurately determine the crankshaft's position. This may lead to incorrect timing of fuel injection and ignition, causing misfires. 13. Overheated engine. When an engine overheats, it can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite prematurely before the spark plug fires. This phenomenon is known as pre-ignition. The high temperature and pressure within the combustion chamber can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite spontaneously, resulting in uncontrolled combustion and misfires. By understanding the common causes of engine misfires and taking proactive maintenance measures, you can keep your vehicle running smoothly mile after mile. Addressing engine misfires promptly is crucial to prevent further damage and ensure optimal vehicle performance. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.